Welcome back to Next Gen Motor. Today we're taking a look at the stunning 2027 Audi Q8 S line finished in silver. And honestly, this SUV looks absolutely insane. Audi clearly wanted something that feels sporty, futuristic, and luxurious all at the same time. And from first glance, they might have nailed it. This thing is built for people who want premium comfort and strong road presence, but still want their SUV to feel fast, modern, and exciting without stepping into full supercar territory. The new Q8 S line comes in looking sharper and more aggressive than before, especially in that silver color. Up front, you get a huge black honeycomb grille paired with slimmer matrix LED headlights that give the SUV a seriously intimidating look. Even standing still, this thing has attitude. The front bumper design also looks way sportier now, with larger air intakes and gloss black details that add a performance vibe without overdoing it. From the side, the coupe-style roofline keeps that sleek Audi identity alive. Big alloy wheels, muscular fenders, and clean body lines make the SUV look expensive from literally every angle. It has that perfect balance between sporty and classy. And then you get to the rear. Honestly, this might be the best angle of the whole car. The full-width LED light bar looks incredible, especially at night. Audi also redesigned the lower diffuser area and cleaned up the exhaust styling, giving the back end a much more modern performance look. Overall, the design feels futuristic, but not in a weird, overcomplicated way. It still looks elegant enough for everyday luxury driving. Step inside, and the cabin instantly feels high-end. Soft leather seats, aluminum trim, ambient lighting, and the clean dashboard layout make it feel more like a luxury lounge than just another SUV interior. Everything feels focused around the driver, but passengers still get plenty of comfort. The infotainment system now features a larger curved touchscreen with smoother animations and quicker response times. You also get wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice controls, and smarter AI personalization features that learn your driving habits over time. One feature that really stands out is the augmented reality head-up display. Instead of looking down at the screen, navigation directions and safety alerts appear directly on the windshield, which honestly makes the whole experience feel super futuristic. Comfort is also a huge upgrade here. There's more legroom, softer seat cushioning, heated and ventilated seating, plus better cabin insulation that keeps outside noise to a minimum. Whether you're driving through the city or cruising on the highway, the Q8 feels calm, quiet, and seriously refined. Under the hood, the 2027 Q8 S line is expected to offer turbocharged V6 and hybrid-assisted engine options with improved power and better fuel efficiency. Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system keeps the SUV planted in almost any condition, while the adaptive air suspension helps balance comfort and sporty handling surprisingly well. So whether you're taking long highway trips or pushing it through corners, this thing should feel quick, smooth, and confident behind the wheel. This SUV is also loaded with advanced driver assistance tech. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane centering, blind spot monitoring, and semi-autonomous highway driving are expected to be part of the package. In heavy traffic or during long drives, the system can help manage speed, maintain distance, and reduce driver fatigue, which makes daily commuting feel way more relaxed. The new Q8 S line will most likely start somewhere around $80,000 to $1,000, placing it firmly in the premium luxury SUV category. And yeah, maintenance and insurance probably won't be cheap either, but buyers in this segment usually care more about the overall experience, the comfort, the technology, the badge, and the road presence. Plus, the hybrid setup could help save a bit on fuel costs for daily driving. The biggest strengths here are definitely the futuristic styling, premium interior, advanced tech, and smooth driving experience. It looks expensive, feels modern, and still delivers that sporty character people expect from Audi. On the downside, the price could climb pretty fast once you start adding optional packages and upgrades. But if you want something that blends luxury and performance without looking boring, this SUV checks a lot of boxes. The 2027 Audi Q8 S line feels like a serious step forward for Audi's luxury SUV lineup. It's bold, modern, comfortable, and packed with technology that actually feels useful instead of gimmicky. The ice silver finish makes the design stand out even more. And overall, this SUV gives off a clean mix of luxury, sportiness, and futuristic style. If pricing stays competitive, don't be surprised if this becomes one of the most talked about premium SUVs of 2027** when compared to rivals like the BMW X6 and Mercedes-Benz G Coupe. The new Q8 S line sits right in the middle. The BMW leans more towards sporty performance, while the Mercedes focuses heavily on comfort and luxury. But this Audi feels like the perfect balance of both worlds. You still get sporty styling and sharp handling, but without sacrificing comfort or daily usability. And honestly, that futuristic interior combined with the ice silver exterior gives the Q8 a really fresh look that stands out instantly. So, what do you guys think about the 2027 Audi Q8 S line? Would you take this over the BMW X6 or the Mercedes GLE Coupe? Let me know down in the comments. And if you enjoyed this review, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to Next Gen Motor, and turn on notifications so you never miss future luxury car reveals and upcoming 2027 models. We've got a lot more crazy car content coming very soon, so stay tuned.